A very good morning everyone. Today we start our new topic, division. As we all know, what is division? A method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. So in division we have four terms: dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, and this is the symbol of division. Now let us revise what are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. I take an example 42 divided by 2, as here is one digit number, so starting from one digit, and we all know 4 comes in table of 2. So 2 2s are 4. Then do subtraction, 4 minus 4 0. Brought it down 2 as it is. Again 2 comes in table of 2 at 1. So 2 ones are 2. Then do subtraction, 0. So what is dividend? So dividend is the number to be divided. So 42 is called the dividend because it is the number to be divided. So what is dividend? The number to be divided. Now, what is divisor? The number by which we divided the dividend. So, 2 is called the divisor. So, what is divisor? The number by which dividend is divided. So, what is dividend? The number to be divided. Here in this example, 42 is the dividend and the number by which dividend is divided is called divisor. So, 2 is the divisor. So, quotient is the answer we get on division is called quotient. So, here 21 is the answer we get on division. So, what is quotient? The answer we get on division. Here 21 is the quotient. Now, this is your quotient, this is your divisor, this is your dividend. This is your dividend and this is your remainder. And remainder is the number that remains after division. So what is remainder? The number that remains after division. So in this example, remainder is 0. This is the number that remains after division. So remainder is 0. Now we have a division rule to check our division is wrong or right. So the division rule is dividend equals quotient multiply divisor plus remainder. So you have to remember this rule. Now let us start at exercise 2.4. Here the first question is find the quotient and the remainder. After that check your division. So in this question we have to find the quotient and remainder. Then check our division with the help of division rule. Now write down divisor, then draw division sign. Here is first part is 46,732. We have to do division of 46,732 with 7. Now, so starting with first digit, here is 7 and here is 4. So, 7 is bigger than 4. Now, 4 cannot be divided by 7 because 7 is greater. Now, take out the 2 digits. It becomes 46. Now, in table of 7, 46 is not come. So, smaller number than 46 is 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42 and 7 sevens are 49. Again 49 is greater than 7. So we take 7 sixes are 42. So write down 6 here and 42. Now do subtraction. When I cut 6 minus 2. Answer is 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now brought it down 7. Now again in table of 7, 47 is not come. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49. Again 49 is greater. Now we take 42. 7 6s are 42. Now do subtraction. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. Next again brought it down 3. Now 53 is not come in table of 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. Now 56 is greater than 53. Take out the 49. 7 7s are 49. Then do subtraction. 9 cannot cut from 3. So borrow from 5. It becomes 13. Here 4 is left. Now 13 minus 9, answer is 4. Now brought it down 2. Now in table of 7, 42 is come at 6. Again 7 6 are 42. So this is your answer. So dividend is 46,732. Divisor is 7. Quotient is 6,676 and the remainder is 0. Now check your answer. Now do checking. Division rule is dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Here the divisor is 7 multiply 6,676 and the remainder is 0. Here the dividend is 46,732. So do multiplication. 6,676 by 7. Write down the places on the digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now starting from ones place, 7 6 are 42. Write down 2. Ones place carry goes to tens place. 7 7s are 49. 49 and 4 is 53. Write down 3 as it is. And tens place carry goes to 100 place. 7 6 are 42. 42 and 5, 47. Write down 7. And 100 place carry goes to 1000 place. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4, 46. So left hand side, this is called the left hand side and this is called the right hand side. So dividend is 46,732. Left hand side is equals to right hand side and our answer is correct. Now start E part. 39,876 divided by 21. So here in this part first write down the table of 21. Now write down divisor, division sign. Write down the dividend 39,876. Here the 2-digit number. Check the 2-digit is greater or less. Here 39 is greater than 21. So we can divide 21 by 39. So in table of 21, 39 is not come. So the smallest number is 21. So 21 ones are 21. So do subtraction. 9 minus 1, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. Brought it down 8. Now again in table of 121, 188 is not come. So the smallest number is 21 ones are 21, 22 twos are 42, 23 threes are 63, 21 fours are 84, 21 fives are 105, 21 sixes are 126, 21 sevens are 147, again 21 eights are 168, 21 nines are 189. So this is the biggest number. So 168 is the smallest number. So 21 eights are 168. Again do subtraction. 8 minus 8 0, 8 minus 6 2, 1 minus 1 0. Now brought it down 7. Again in table of 21, 207 is not come. So the smallest number is 189. So 21 nines are 189. 89. Again do subtraction. 9 cannot cut from 7. So borrow it from 0. Again borrow it from 2. Here it becomes 10. 1 is left. Now borrow it from 10. Here 9 is left. It becomes 17. When I cut 9 from 17, answer is 8. Now 9 minus 8, 1. Now brought it down 6 as it is. Again in table of 21, 186 is not come. Here is 189. So which is greater than 186. So the smallest number is 168. So 21 8s are 168. Again do subtraction. Borrow it from 6. It becomes 16. Here 7 is left. Now cut 16 minus 8. Answer is 8. 7 minus 6. Here is 1. This is your quotient. This is your dividend. This is your divisor and this is your remainder. So dividend is 39,876. Divisor is 21. Quotient is 1,898 and remainder is 18. Start check. According to division rule, dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Here divisor is 21, quotient is 1898 plus remainder is 18. So start multiplication 1898 with 21. First of all write the places on the digits, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So starting from ones place, 8 ones are 8, 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8, 1 ones are 1. Now put the multiplication sign. 2 8s are 16. Ones place carry goes to tens place. 2 9s are 18. 18 and 1 19. Here write down 9. 1 carry goes to 100 place. Tens place carry goes to 100 place. 2 8s are 16. 16 and 1 17. Write down 7. Again 1 carry goes to 1000 place. 2 ones are 2. 2 and 1 3. Now do addition. 8, 9 and 6, 15. Here is 1 carry. 9 and 8, 17. 17 and 1, 18. Write down carry. 7 and 1, 8. 8 and 1, 9. Brought it down 3 as it is. So the answer is 39,858. Now do addition with remainder plus 18. 8 and 8, 16. 1 carry goes to tens place. 5 plus 1 6, 6 and 1 7. Brought it down 8, 9 and 3 as it is, which is equals to dividend. So our answer is right. Now I part is 9087 divided by 459. So first of all write down the table of 459. Now write down the divisor 459 and do division with 9087. So here is the 3-digit number. Check the 3-digit number. Here 459 is less than 908 and in table of 459 918 is greater than 908. So 459 ones are 459. Now do subtraction. 9 cannot cut from 8. So borrow it from 0. First borrow it from 9. Here it becomes 10. 8 is left. Again borrow it from 10. It becomes 18. Here 9 is left. Now do subtraction. 18 minus 9, 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. Now brought it down 7 as it is. Here is 4497. Now in 459 table, here the smallest number is 45. Here the smallest number is 4131. 4590 is greater than 4497. The smallest number is 4131. So 459 9s are 4131. Now do subtraction. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 3, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. So this is our quotient, this is our remainder, here is dividend, here is divisor. So dividend is 9087, divisor is 459, quotient is 19 and remainder is 366. Now start checking. Check equals to dividend equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Here the divisor is 459, quotient is 19, remainder is 366. Now do multiplication 459 with 19. 9 nines are 81, write down 1, ones place carry goes to tens place. 9 fives are 45, 45 and 8 is 53, write down 3 as it is, 5 carry goes to 100 place. 9 fours are 36, 36 and 5 41. Now put multiplication sign. 9 ones are 9, 5 ones are 5, 4 ones are 4. Now do addition. 1, 9 and 3, 12, 1 carry, write down here, 5 and 1, 6, 6 and 1, 7, 4 and 4, 8. Here is 8721 plus 366. So answer is 1 and 6, 7, 2 plus 6, 8, 7 and 3, 10, 1 carry here, 8 and 1, 9. So this is our answer 987. Now second question is a total of 76,516 bags of rice are loaded onto trucks. If one truck carries 74 bags, then how many trucks are needed to carry 76,516 bags? In this question we have given a total of 76,560 bags of rice are loaded onto trucks. If one truck carry 74 bags, we have to find the number of trucks that carry 76,560 bags. So we have to find the number of trucks. Now start the question. Total rice bags equals to 76,516. One truck carry bags equals to 74. We have to find the number of trucks. So number of trucks equals to 76,516 divided by 74. So do division. 76,516 divided it by 74. Now here is 2-digit number. Check with 2 digits. 74 is less than 76. So in table of 74, in table of 74, 74 twos is 148, which is greater than 76. So 74 ones are 74. Do subtraction. 6 minus 4, 2, 7 minus 7, 0. Brought it down 5 as it is. Now 25 is less than 74. So 74 zeros are 74. Here is 25. Brought it down 1. Now in table of 74, 251 is not come. So 74 ones are 74, 74 twos are 148, 74 threes are 222, 74 fours are 296, which is greater than 251. So 74 threes are 222. Now do subtraction. 2 cannot come. 2 cannot cut from 1. So borrow it from 5. It becomes 11. Here 4 is left. Now 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 2, 2. Again brought it down 6. So in table of 74, 296 comes at 4. So 74 fours are 296. So number of trucks loaded the bags are 1034. So how many trucks? are needed to carry 7,560 bags. So number of trucks are 1034. Number of trucks equals to 1034. Now question number 3 is, there are 34 crayons in one box. How many boxes are required to pack 89,658 crayons? So in this question we are given 34 crayons in one box. We have to find the number of boxes required to pack 89,658 crayons. So in this question what we have to do? We have to do division of 89,658 with 34. So this is your homework. Third question is your homework, and first question remaining part is also your homework.